Hello students, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 12.3. Now question number 4 says if A is equals to 2 and B is equals to minus 2, find the value of. We have been given 3 expression. So if you put 2 in place of A and minus 2 in place of B, what will be the value of these expressions? Okay. Now in the first part we have a square plus b square. So here in place of the variable a and b, we will put the value of a and b to get the value of this expression. Okay. So here a is 2. So in place of a we'll put 2 and power is 2. Here degree is 2 plus b is minus 2. So we'll put this and power is 2. Now 2's power is 2 means we will write twice, we'll write the base twice, right? Plus minus 2 also will be written twice as power is 2. Okay. Now 2 into 2, 4. We have plus sign. Now 2 into 2, 4 again, and since there is even number of negative sign, 1, 2, even number of negative sign, so it will be positive. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. So the value of this expression will be 8. Okay. Now in the second part we have a square plus ab plus b square. So in place of a we'll put 2 and power is 2 as degree is 2 here, plus a into b. A is 2 and b is minus 2. Okay. Plus b square. B is minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now 2 square means 2 into 2. Now here 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And in front of 2 minus sign is there. So it will be minus 4. Right. Now we have plus sign. Now minus 2 whole square means since power is 2, we'll write the base twice. Now 2 into 2 is 4. Right. Now minus 4 we have. Next we have plus sign. Now 2 into 2, 4 again, and since 2 even number, 2 negative sign is there, so it will be positive. Now here plus 4 and minus 4 will be cancelled because plus minus minus, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So value of this expression will be 4. Okay. Now moving on to the next part. Now in the third part we have a square minus b square. So a is 2, so it's 2 square, minus b is minus 2, so it will be minus 2 whole square. Now 2 square means 2 into 2. Then we have minus. Now minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. Now 2 2s are 4 minus. So 2 into 2 is 4 and this minus will become plus. Okay. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So answer of this part will be 0. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Now question number 5 says when a is equals to 0 and b is equals to minus 1, find the value of the given expression. So here we have been given 4 expressions. What we have to do, we will have to just put the value of the variable on this expression to get the value of these expressions. Okay. So in this first part we have 2a plus 2b. So 2a means 2 is multiplied by a and a is 0. So as you know that we will put the value of the variable within the bracket. Okay. Then plus, then 2 into b. 2b is minus 1. So we'll put it in the bracket. So here a is equals to 0 and b is equals to minus 1. We will mention this, okay, within the bracket. Now 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. Now plus and minus, when you will multiply, what would you get? Since there is 2 opposite sign, we'll get minus. So plus minus minus, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So value of this expression will be minus 2. Now in the second part we have 2a square plus b square plus 1. So 2a square, a is 0 square plus b is minus 1 square, and 1 will remain as it is, plus 1 will remain as it is. Now here 0 square means we'll write 2 zeros, plus minus 1 whole square means, since power is 2, we'll write base. This is base and this is power, right? So we'll write the base twice plus 1. Now 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0, it's 0. Now we have plus sign. Now 1 ones are 1 and minus minus plus, and then we have plus 1. So when you'll add this, we'll get 2. So value of this expression will be 2. Now in the third part we have 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So 2a square means 0 square, b is minus 1 plus 2a, a is 0, b is minus 1 square plus ab, a is 0 and b is minus 1. This is a and this is b. Okay. Now here, since in this term 0 is present, here 2 multiplied by 0 multiplied by minus 1. So since 0 is there, and we know that if we multiply 0 to any number, we get 0. So we'll write 0 here. We don't have to solve in details. Okay. Now plus, here also 2 multiplied by 0 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, right? So here since 0 is there and we have to multiply this all, so we'll get 0 only. Okay. Now here also 0 multiplied by minus 1, so we'll get 0 again. So answer of this part will be 0. Now coming to the last part. The last part we have a square plus ab plus 2. So a is 0 square because a square was there, plus a is 0 and b is minus 1 plus 2. Now here 0 square means 0 plus 0 multiplied by minus 1. So when you multiply by 0, we'll get 0. So here also 0 plus 2. Okay. So it will be 0 plus 2 is 2. So answer of this part will be 2. So this was all about question number 5. Thank you, students.